all, I would take this opportunity to thank Polymer Update for giving us the platform for presenting a paper from Evonik Degussa. Considering the diverse audience in this particular conference, I have divided my presentation in 3 different parts. One, I will be briefly introducing about the Evonik Degussa globally, how they are, and more specifically to the business line of high performance polymer. The second point in my agenda would be the product portfolio and the competency of Evonik in high performance polymer range. And the last, I will throw some of the unique solution which Evonik has done globally as well as in India as well. So, first of all, I will give you a brief introduction of Evonik. Evonik is a creative industrial group from Germany. We are based from Germany, and we are actively involved in more than 100 countries worldwide. Basically, our portfolio is divided into one in chemical business units, and another is in financial investment on energy and real estate. But as you can say, more than 75% is in chemical sides. And for chemical, we have 6 different business structure. One is for industrial chemicals. The second one is the consumer specialist. The third one is coating and additives, inorganic materials, health and nutrition, and the performance polymers. We represent from the performance polymer business unit. These are just facts and figures from last year. Our sales in 2010 was euro 13.3 billion and EBITDA level of around euro of 2.4 billion. That comes to around 18% of EBITDA margin. Employees are something around 34,000, and we are, as I said, we are operating in more than 100 countries. Now, coming more specifically to business unit performance polymer, we are highly integrated manufacturers for methyl acrylate as well as polyamide based high performance polymers, and the industries which we serve, as you can say, one is the automotive, aerospace, chemical industries for oil and gas industries, lifestyle for spectacle frames, then electronics and communications, environmental sector, and so on and so forth. This is just market positions of our BU performance polymer. Our performance polymer is divided into 2 sub business line as we call. Business line acrylic monomers. More or less we are globally number 1 in butyl methacrylate and specialty monomers. Then in second business line acrylic polymers, we are also globally number 1 for semi-finished products as well for acrylic sheets. Coming more specifically for business line high performance polymers, our headquarters is in Marl in Germany. Specifically for sales for this particular business unit is 491 million euro and something around 250 employees. More in detail in Asia Pacific, we have a sales office in almost all countries of Asia Pacific, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, India as well. And we have a technical center also to assist in Eboshi in Japan as well as in Shanghai in China. And we have a compounding facilities in China, in Changchun and in Shanghai. Now I will go to a more brief discussion about the product portfolio and the competency which we have in high performance polymer range. Most probably everybody has seen the polymer pyramid, but I would like to focus that Evonik are into engineering polymers like PMMA, PPE, PBT, and in the high performance polymers range, we have a PA12, PA612, PPA, PEEK, transparent polyamide, and we have semi-finished products like PPSU foams, PMI foams, PF foams, and now recently we have introduced green polymers also, which are PA10T, which is a PPA based. Then we have a PA1012, PA1010 and PA610. So our focus is always on high performance polymers. These are the markets which we are into. For example, automotive, as usual, everybody is there. With aerospace, with lot of foams, our semi-finished products goes. PMI and polyamide fiber foams goes into these applications. High for toothbrushes, monofilament grades are used, where again Vestamid grades are used for this kind of applications. In asphalt mixing, our Westanomer is used, which is a trans-polyactonomer. Electrical and engineering for optic fiber cable, our polyamide 12 goes. In sports, again, some of the shoes, our polyamide 12 is also going. This is just our product portfolio integration. We are not only backward integrated, but we are also forward integrated. We are the only company who starts from the butadiene and goes up to the films or foams or semi-finished products. So we are fully backward integrated, the polymers and the forward integration as well. As you can see, a lot of these polymers, polyamide 12, 610, 612, 1010 requires this kind of a monomers. We have our own polymerization plant, monomerizations, which we convert into polymer in Germany. Okay. As a customer, you can explore new business opportunities by permanent reformation of our product portfolio. What I mean by this is, we have the building blocks or the monomers, we have the resins, the polymers, with our brand name Vestamid, which is PA12, Trogamid, which is a transparent nylon, Vestakip, which is a PEEK material, and Westanomer, which is a trans-polyoctonomer. And we have powders as well, depending on the applications. Vestocene, Vestamelt, and Vestakip powders. And also the forward integration. Plexiglass is our brand name, Europlex, Trogamid, and the Rohacell for the foam. So customer can choose any of the stage, and we can provide you the solution throughout this particular product portfolio. Okay, I will just skip due to the time this slide. Okay, so we are not only the raw material supplier, but we provide lot of value addition services like analytical studies if required for specific polymers. We can do in our headquarters. We have a process technology development as well, like multi-component process, multi-layer tubing machines. It is all available in our headquarters in Germany. We have a testing equipment also, as a lot of automotive OEMs requires bus pressure analysis test, tensile impact tests. So we have a whole range of equipments which we provide to our customers. Okay, I will go now on to showing some of the few solution examples in our day-to-day life as well as. The first one is the Vestocene product for precipitated polymer powder technology for coating, for protection coating, and how it works. I had some sample also to show. This is the particular sample which has been coated over a metal, and what I can say about this sample is that very thin micron is been coated on this particular thing, and it's a permanent abrasion resistance. So over a metal you can have a permanent abrasion resistance in the field. The application will be the dishwasher baskets and so forth. Even in automotive it can be used. Yeah, so this is the one particular application where our Vestocene coating powders is used. We have a Vestakip powders also, maybe in some of the application in aerospace as well. As you can see, permanent abrasion resistance, freedom of design, colors. Yes, you can do a lot of colors like silver, gray, depending on to give a metallic like finish. Another one is the filter parts, which is used in automotive or in water pump, water filter parts also, where the transparent is required, but additional it's required oil and fuel and chemical resistance, which is been not given by polycarbonate or acrylic, but it will be given by transparent polyamide 12. This is one more example of our microcrystallinity, which is used in I would say in this particular frame, this spectacle frames, the lens parts, where this particular microcrystallinity is used, where the stress crack resistance is of utmost importance. This has been done with a specific monomers which creates a nanoscale crystals which will do not allow to scatter visible light. Generally, this material appears transparent to the human eye but retains the valued properties which is required by the semicrystalline materials. So this has been done with our Trocamide MyCX grades. Again,